This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making grilled shrimp with lime and coriander. The combination of garlic and kaffir lime leaves, activated by the hot grill, gives the prawns a distinctive Southeast Asian flavor and aroma. We'll start with the prawns. I have here 450 grams of large prawns. Remove the head and the shell, except the shell from the tail. Cut the slit along the back and remove the vein. For the marinade, finely chop up 3 cloves of garlic. Three kaffir lime leaves, one tablespoon of cilantro. You can include the stem and the roots as well, as this is where most of the flavor is. Put all the chopped ingredients in a bowl, together with 4 tablespoons of oil, one teaspoon of sesame oil, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, mix this well. Remove 2 tablespoons of marinade and add 2 tablespoons of lemon or lime juice to it. Set it aside. Marinate the prawns in the remaining marinade for 30 minutes. Do not marinate the prawns for more than 90 minutes. Before cooking, remove the prawns from the fridge for 30 minutes or so to let it warm up to room temperature. Use a satay stick or a metal skewer to skewer the prawns together. Because the prawns are such small pieces of meat, they tend to dry out quickly while cooking. There are several things you can do to prevent it from drying out. First is to skewer them tightly into a disc. Secondly is to cook them quickly over high heat. Do not overcook them. Sprinkle some salt onto the prawns and grill the prawns for 2 to 3 minutes on each side till they turn pink. Do not overcook the prawns, or it will become tough and dry. Before serving, pour the marinade with the lemon juice that you have set aside earlier onto the prawns. This is grilled shrimp or prawns with lemon and coriander.